Stand up. Jeez,
What's that?
I don't know what that was. Whoa. Come here, silly.
Mommy!
Come here, baby. Ah, there you go. You took a step. Huh? You took a step. Huh?
Mom!
Come here. Look at you go. Good job. Okay. Go ahead, Anna.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Come here, Evie. Come here.
It's fucking cute.
Okay, can you move, Anna? So Evie can walk to Dad?
Yeah, it's okay.
So,
Okay.
Okay. Walk to Dad.
catch us.
Come here.
Yeah.
Evie. Good walking.
Hey, good job. Go walk to Mom.
Oh, good walking. Good walking. Okay, let's start.
Good walking.
Okay, here comes Evie.
I'm going.
2 kids, too.
Okay.
Good walking.
You're just so excited to get
Okay, let
there.
go of her
huh?
hands, okay?
I'm helping you.
But we want her to walk by herself, okay?
I'm helping her.
Let go of her.
Look.
Stop it.
Yeah.
You did it!
You did it, huh? Honey, that's mommy.
Okay, let go of her. See if she'll walk to me, okay?
Leave my pocket. Go.
Come here, sweetheart.
Okay, look at Mama.
Me too.
Okay, that's what I got.
Anna, can you go
Sorry.
stand by Dad? Thanks.
Good job, baby.
Kid's fearless, man. She gets right up. We gotta hand it to
She
her.
does, she
She
does.
turfed it a couple good times. You tired?
My son.
Oh, I love
You
this,
pooped?
Anna.
Anna's a very good walker and a good teacher too.
Can you stand up by yourself, Evie? Okay, you ready?
So come here, Evie.
Good walking. Okay, you stand right here. Get her to come over here. Say, come here, Evie.
Mommy.
Start pants.
So she won't trip on him.
Good job. Kind of a little start and stop there, but that's okay.
Oh, look at that walking. Are you getting tired?
She
Are
said-
those legs getting tired?
She's having fun now.
Come here.
You been knocking them back, Evie? Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Peppermint. With a rich, dark chocolate. Your peppermint patty. Get the sensation.
To get home, 2 friends will go further. Possible.
I told you to make a good team.
Afraid of Blues. Quick, look behind you. Alpha and Omega on Blu-ray DVD Combo Pack January 11th.
Maybe it went click for us when we realized we could do Weight Watchers online together.
It was easy, it was flexible, and it worked. Okay, I've got ground turkey, I've got bell peppers, so he'd plug it into the recipe builder.
Good. Get as fast as you can. The Incy Wincy Spider. I want to see you walk. There you go.